Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Kajaka puli barikor ke sorkar Meghalaya kan trekamno naduk lashim snem u arjar arpuar. Yakni kajaka puli lashnaha kajaka jong ke Shillong Polytechnic hamaulai kenton masar. Kumjo ke College of Architecture and Urban Planning ru kabadon Hatura West Garo Hills District kan sedang trekamno naduk lashim snem.
Developed in that polytechnic campus, it is there. And the College of Architecture and Urban Planning is in Tura. For the infrastructure, I don't remember exactly, but the faculty is about 2.5 crore per annum we will spend for that. College, we have invested more than 24 crore. And the total expenditure for running recurring costs for the sanctioning of the faculty and the staff will be about 3 crore per year. So that engineering college will basically have 3 streams: the electrical, the civil, and the computer science. So these 3 streams, there will be 30 seats in each stream. Then, which we are hopeful that by next year, being the 50th year of our statehood, we will be able to start to this college. But I wish that this situation at hand will subside. So I seek the cooperation of each one of us. Let us respect ourselves by taking care of ourselves, our family, and the society. Let us take care about each others so that we could unitedly overcome this situation arise due to this COVID-19.
Menteri dang ba jong ka sorkar jelau Konrad Kongres sama baru menteri ka tanat puli putih uba la kwen rumbui bat ki officer kila penlong ya ke jing besar banyak hakani ka khat pratri ku banai jembang arjar arpuai ya kita ki arteli ki jaka puli.
Today we have a meeting with our Honorable Chief Minister to apprise him what is there in the education and what is the way forward and what is the issues which are critical for the development of education in the state. This meeting, in fact, we have fixed long time back, but due to this COVID situation, we could not hold it. So today, because as the state, as the government, in spite of the situation, we cannot lose sight of the way forward, how to improve the education system in the state. So we review about the portion of the elementary schools, the secondary schools, the higher secondary schools, and also the college in the state. Because as I have already expressed, given in the media also that by next year we will have our own engineering college and we will have our own College of Architecture and Urban Planning, and we will the college in Patharkhma and Rongjeng will be operationalized. So we talk about that we need to prepare the roadmap for the faculty so that next year we could start this program. And also we have discussed what is the bottleneck, and what is the issue which are very difficult, and how to solve those pending issues. So this is all about we have discussing today in that meeting. And I'm very glad that we are all on the same page based on the information and the data which are available today. So the Chief Minister and the Education Department will work together on how to solve the issue or to go ahead with the plan which we have.